Hi, this video shows how to install and integrate the Miramo DITA-OT Toolkit plugin within Oxygen. Once the installer is running, the first thing to do is browse to the Plugins folder within Oxygen. This folder is located at C, Program Files, OxygenXML Editor, Frameworks, DITA, and then select the DITA-OT2.x folder and click OK. Then click Install. If you're upgrading like I am, you'll get this message. Click OK. I'm going to deselect the Start Miramo Designer checkbox for now and click Finish. So the installation is complete, and this is the Miramo plugin Getting Started guide that opens automatically. There's a section on integrating with Oxygen to help you there. Now I'm going to open a sample DITA map within OxygenXML Editor. So this sample DITA map is located in the Miramo plugin folder that you just installed within Oxygen. So go to the Miramo plugin folder, Samples, Taskbook, and select the Taskbook DITA map. So once the Taskbook DITA map is open, we're going to import the Miramo PDF scenarios. To do that, go to Options in the main menu and select Import Transformation Scenarios. Again, browse to the Miramo plugin folder, Integration, Oxygen, and select Miramo PDF Scenarios. There's two scenarios to be imported. Import them both, and they'll appear down here on the right-hand side. I'm going to select one of the transformation scenarios and run it against the Taskbook's DITA map. If you want to see the progress of the transformation, click on the little icon below. And this is a PDF produced by the default MFD template generated by Miramo PDF. If you'd like to receive notifications of the latest Miramo PDF videos, please subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much for watching.